Kardom kedai pantap bini video bangke ilutum karbinglong Thomas Council CM Dr. Tularung hang seme English lam kaningje asilan tum le bangso video kitcheng pen julang no arang li seme English lam kaningje lan tum arjum ponong lapan adun thu asamolong indut de sukurali pu indut lasme anong jethang o alang li pen seme English lam kaningje asi tum alang li kaningje seme arjum ponong po asi awidu lepang cheng pona.
Main issue in Karbi Anglong, all-round development in Karbi Anglong and unemployed problem solved. We have Karbi Anglong unemployed youth educated. Unemployed youth educated is many people, many students, many youths in Karbi Anglong. So we need resolve to unemployed youth educated problem. To discuss several groups of militant in Karbi Anglong, we have main object in peace and develop in Karbi Anglong. This is the main theory in Karbi Anglong. Congress, APIS, regional party, national party, political party, Congress, people rejected. People rejected their.
He is a politician. No COVID-19 of India. He is the non-politician. I am the politician. 2020 outfield election. 24 Goripur Assembly legislative member. So I am helping giving the rise. So because full flat. I am to help me because so giving the lockdown. So better poor people, very poor people. Where are you? Better what will do?